One.
2, 1, run it. Welcome, y'all. Come on down. We're out here in Amargosa Valley, Nevada. We're just 24 miles to the west of Pahrump out here. You're more than welcome to come out and check us out today. These are some of the remnants of what the cars that were here earlier are still hanging out here in Amargosa. You're more than welcome to come out and take a look. We're inviting you to Long Street Casino. We've got all different kinds of cars out here. We've got a show going on. We've got families. We've got people. We've got crafts fairs. We've got booths set up. We've got so much different activity. The only thing missing is you. Come on out, you guys. Check us out. This is what you're doing. You know what it is.
My ears.
Check. Still clipping.
Yeah. 19. 5, 6.
every day. We was on that block until we made a way, day to day. Man, that's the only way. They gon' know my name until it fade away, fade away. They gon' know my name until it fade away. They gon' know my name until it fade away. I've been there, I've done that. This rap shit, I run that. Motherfucker, this far from a comeback. If one of us fall, then we run that. Can't let that social worker just snatch up my king. Gotta get my son back, cause when they coming through, that system don't give a fuck about you. Everybody gonna die, gonna go one day. Maybe it'll happen on a Monday. Dropping the work and get hit by a 100. Fucking let it all go one day. I know, I'ma get it like this. Living a life where they all reminisce. Never regretted the second I said it. I feel like I'm smarter, I read it on Reddit. You're fucking pathetic, my etiquette, murder your predicate. Bitch, I'm ahead of it, yeah. Yes, I'ma die, but I don't wonder why in the hell am I right in the dead of it. Yeah, I know, no, life on earth is so unpredictable. Okay, hold up, let me say, yes, I fade away. Fade away. They gon' know my name until it fade away. Fade away. They gon' know my name until it fade away. Tell me what I give for a life like this. I'm gonna let quite like this. Fuck around with a fight like this. Sing a hot like this. I might just I don't know. Reinvention, that's my intention. Want so much more than this third dimension. That's not to mention my true ascension is a bigger picture. No metaphor, I'm being real with you, but it will hit you like goddamn. Go ahead, full of all the damn in a spaceship. I'm in another system, so futuristic on another mission. But back on Earth, everybody bitchin'. I've been in the kitchen, living my life, no inhibition. Life and death with no intermission. At a good book said we all the same, and we kill each other, but it's all in vain, and we all to blame. Can't see the picture when it's out the frame. Real talk, I wanna grip the frame and just ride with you. Build a family, then die with you. When you get to heaven, I'ma come and get you. Sit back and really get the picture. This life, yeah, down, ate away. Hard times never stayed away. But one thing I know day to day, I'ma do something before I fade away. Fade away. They gon' know my name until it fade away. Fade away. They gon' know my name until it fade away. Fade away. They gon' know my name until it fade away. Fade away. They gon' know my name until it fade away. Until we made a way, day to day. Man, that's the only way. They gon' know my name until it fade away. Fade away. They gon' know my name until it fade away. up my king, gotta get my son back. Cause when they coming through, that system don't give a fuck about you. Everybody gonna die, gonna go one day. Maybe it'll happen on a Monday. Dropping the work and get hit by your Hyundai. Fucking let it all go one day. I know, I'ma get it like this. Living a life where they all reminisce. Never regretted the second I said it. I feel like I'm smarter, I read it on Reddit. You're fucking pathetic, my etiquette murdered your predicate. Bitch, I'm ahead of it, yeah. Yes, I'm a die, but I don't wonder why in the hell am I right in the dead of it. Yeah, I know, no, life on earth is so unpredictable. Okay, hold up, let me say, yes, I'll fade away. Fade away, fade away, fade away, fade away. They gon' know my name until it fade away, fade away. Fade away, they gon' know my name until it fade away. Tell me what a gift for a life like this. I'm gonna let quite like this. Fuck around with a fight like this. Take a hike like this. I might just, I don't know. Reinvention, that's my intention. What's so much more than this third dimension? That's not to mention my true ascension is a bigger picture. No metaphor, I'm being real with you, but it will hit you like goddamn. Go ahead, full of all the damn. In a spaceship, I'm in another system so futuristic on another mission. But back on earth, everybody bitchin'. I've been in the kitchen, living my life, no inhibition. Life and death with no intermission. At a good book said we all the same, and we kill each other, but it's all in vain, and we all to blame. Can't see the picture when it's out the frame. Real talk, I wanna grit the grain and just ride with you. Build a family, then die richer. When you get to heaven, I'ma come and get you. Sit back and really get the picture. This life, yeah, done ate away. Hard times never stayed away. But one thing I know day to day, I'ma do something before I fade away. Fade away, fade away, fade away, fade away. They gon' know my name until it fade away, fade away. Fade away, they gon' know my name until it fade away, fade away, fade away. They gon' know my name until it fade away, fade away. They gon' know my name until it fade away.
Hey guys, it's been a long weekend chilling with you. It's been a pleasure. I really appreciate you. Thanks for coming on out to Amargosa Valley and chilling with our family at the car show. It was fantastic. All the craft show people, tables, and everybody else that showed up made a little extra money for their pocket. And I hope to see y'all next year. I hope everybody comes on out, and this time maybe get a little bit more support from the Trump area. We'd like to see more Corruptians out our way. We've got a lot of them, but we could have got a lot more, you guys. You know, come on out to Amargosa. We're only a little ways away. We're still drilling wells for water out here, a little bit different than in Corrupt. However, we got land, we got good properties available. We'd love to have you come out and hang out with us for the weekend. So I think this weekend's car show was off the chain. We'll nickname it the Scar Show, and that's what it is from here on out. You know, Amargosa Valley Scar Show every year. Come on out, man. Show some scars. Peace. What? Say that again.
What a field day for the heat. 1,000 people in the street, singing songs and a carrying signs. Mostly say hooray for our side. It's time we stop. Hey, what's that sound? Everybody look what's going down.
We are here 2024 at the Amargosa Car Show. We're all sporting our trench made today. Everybody's here. This is the scene. This is what's happening. You got to come out here and see what it is, baby.
Hey, what's that sound? Everybody look what's going down.
Ready when you are.
Hey, what's that sound? Everybody look what's going down. Stop now. What's that sound? Everybody look what's going down.
Guys, here we are. Tell me when we're live in action. live in action. Still.
Come on with me. Come on with me. You are now entering the zone. The revolution will now be televised.
What it is. I don't know what you guys thought of that cut, but I think it came out precisely perfect. So what I wanted to do today is take a quick opportunity just to introduce you to 2 or 3 new line items for Trenchmade. So Trenchmade is a clothing line that we started introducing out here on 2 episodes ago in our filming products that we were putting out as far as content, and now they have released the outfit that you probably saw me in the previous episode, which is the Trenchmade short and shirt outfit. They're also now not only featuring the tan swimsuit that matches, of course, the outfit, but they're now also featuring the gray. They're featuring the red top. Oh, those are messed up now. Put them back on there carefully and quickly as you can, because you're on footage right now. How fast can you do it? Got one more. And the blue, of course. The blue is a lot of the ladies' favorites right now. This is the top seller. However, all the Trenchmade gear is going. We're over here selling it in Amargosa Valley, 89020. Check us out. YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, all of y'all. Come on and ride with me. Take ride with the boy.
Hit something right in front of the face. Damn.
Wow.